Hola amigos y amigas, I am Leila, also known as Ms. Bohemia, and today I am going to try a brand that I have never tried ever, not even sniffed it before, Maui Moisture. And we're jumping in with a Heal and Hydrate Shea Butter hair mask, which is apparently good for dry and damaged hair. I have pre-pooed my hair, I have shampooed my hair, I have bun builded my hair, I have protein treated my hair, I have purple masked my hair with a really bad purple hair mask by Not Your Mothers that I do not recommend. My previous video was on that, but I recommend that you watch the Amika purple hair mask because that one was amazing. So if you're looking for a purple hair mask, do not buy Not Your Mothers, go for the Amika. I did that, and now I'm ready to move on from that purple hair mask disaster, and I am hoping for a good smoothing, amazing deep conditioning experience because I could use it right now, and hopefully this is it. So let's jump in. Ooh, smells nice and creamy, nothing super standout-ish, which is nice, like my English. So, oh my god, I love this slip. It's so nice. I needed this because that purple hair mask had no slip. It was hell. I hated it. So I could use some nice slip. And it smells really good. It's, again, not a strong smell. I can't quite put my finger on it. I'm not very good with describing scents, but I enjoy it. It feels really nice and rich while it's in my hands, but when I put it in the hair, I don't know, it doesn't really feel as rich. It feels more watery and easily absorbed by the hair, so I have no idea. Hopefully that's a good thing. Hopefully it's being absorbed into my highly porous hair to give it as intense a deep conditioning treatment as possible. But the slip is really good, it goes on great, and it feels amazing going on. But I admit that there's one weird thing. When it's on the hair, it doesn't feel very rich and moisturizing. So I wonder if I hadn't applied this to my hair to feel it in my hands and I would just touch my hair and what it feels like with this on, I wouldn't think that this would do anything for me because it just feels drier on my hair. Oh. So let's keep this moving and see how it all turns out. Plastic cap, hot head. So the instructions say to apply this while you're in the shower and leave it in for 5 minutes. So why do you call it a hair mask? It's one of those little 5-minute things. That to me is like a regular conditioner. I'm leaving it for 30 minutes with my hot head. Lord, what a shower. My whole wash day started off bonk. So hopefully it'll end well. This better give me the hydration I am seeking so I don't have to do another hair mask and give my hair the moisture that it needs. So I'm leaving it in, as I said, for 30 minutes and then we'll be back and see how it goes. I do want to note that it says that you can also leave it in as a leave-in conditioner. I'm not going to be using it as a leave-in conditioner. Applying it to my hair, this would not work well for me as a leave-in conditioner, and I'm surprised to read that they would recommend this as a leave-in conditioner because, as I was stating, it didn't feel very moisturizing. It felt dry the moment it touched my hair. It just felt watery, if that makes any sense. It just felt absorbed into the hair and I could feel the wetness of my hair, but if anything, this felt dry. This would not be something I would want as a leave-in at all. Again, my hair is very highly porous to bleach blonde, so let's see how this does. The Maui Moisture Shea Butter hair mask, supposedly for dry, damaged hair, is a no. Oh my god, I'm even getting breakage. Oh my god, I'm getting a ton of breakage. Oh my god, this is freaking me out. This is not good. When you're claiming to benefit dry, damaged hair, you'd better benefit dry, damaged hair. My hair doesn't feel moisturized at all. Yes, I didn't follow the instructions. I leave it in only 5 minutes, but that really doesn't matter because this would have done nothing for me in 5 minutes. If there was ever any chance of it doing anything for my hair, I would have definitely had to have left it on for longer, which is what I did. And I used my hot head to further have that product penetrate into my hair. And I'm left with dry and damaged feeling hair. So maybe they mean that it'll dry and damage your hair. It's an absolute no. Stay tuned for next week's video where I'm trying a Maui Moisture Styling Cream. I don't want to, but that's what I'm going to do today because I had bought 2 Maui Moisture products feeling overly optimistic, but given this experience, right now I am not thrilled with the brand. I think that's it. What else do I have to say? I could come up with a bunch of other stuff to say, but it would all be a very roundabout way of saying I did not have a good experience with this. Really, from the get-go, I had a feeling that I wasn't going to like it. Unfortunately, I was right. I would have loved to have been wrong. So do I recommend this product? No. I have one more product of theirs to use. Stay tuned and let's see how that goes. I have no idea how that will go. Hopefully, it's not a fail. But as of right now, I don't want to buy anything else from Maui Moisture. And that's it. That's it for this round. Stay tuned for more. Thank you for tuning in. And if you like this video, please like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And if there is actually any Maui Moisture product that you like and think it's worth trying, let me know. I can't make any promises that I'll want to try the brand again, but doesn't hurt to learn more. And that's that. See you in the next one. Ciao for now.